Before you buy that course, make sure you watch this video.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network. And today I want to talk about basically these course selling people trying to get over on y'all, right? And so I got to break this down because at the end of the day, I sell courses, right? So I got to keep it 100 with you. But I'm going to tell you this, before you buy a course, because I buy courses and coaching programs and all of that. But before you do, you really want to vet these people out, all right? And you really want to know what you're getting yourself into. Like, for example, think about a college, for example. When you look at college, what is the purpose of getting a college degree? Basically to get a good job, right? Because you don't need a college degree for entrepreneurship or anything. So what are you really getting your degree for? To get a good job, right? Well, here's the problem with college degrees. College degrees are going to make you take this elective and take this class and do this class. So you got to take English 111 to get a degree in mathematics. And it's like, no, I don't even need to know all of that. What I mean about that. Or I don't need to know how to do public speaking to be an engineer. Or whatever the case may be, right? But they're going to put you through all these hoops and hurdles that's completely all for the thing that you went to school for. And then they're going to charge you what? $12,000 a year, or however much they charge, $40,000 depending on what school you go to, right? Now you got these courses on the other hand. People all online, they showing you Lamborghinis, they showing you the flashy lifestyle and how you can change your life if you just get this one coaching program, right? Well, how much are they charging? Let's just say on average they're charging about $2,000, right? Some of them you get a little cheaper. You might get somebody $97 course, $297. But the ones I look at in particular, they're usually $19.97, right? It's always a 7. Think about this though. If you can buy a course on starting a car reselling business, right? And if you buy a course on reselling cars every day, and it's only $2,000, can that course really help you more than a college degree if you wanted to start a business on selling cars? I'm here to tell you, absolutely, I agree. Because at the end of the day, inside that course should be step-by-step guide on specifically selling cars. Now, how much money can you make off selling the cars? Well, if I had to guess, and I'm not a car selling guy, right? But if I had to guess, you probably gonna make your $2,000 back within the first 2 flips, if not the first one. All right. So does it make sense to pay $2,000 for a course on that? Absolutely. Versus going to a school and going to a college to get a degree to start that business, it just don't make any sense. They're gonna have you taking all type of classes that has nothing to do with it. All right. Now, here's what you need to look for though. Before you buy that course, is the person that's teaching that course and selling that course, have they done it successfully, or are they currently doing it and doing it successfully? If they have never done it, you don't have any proof that they've done it, you can't go and search their LLC name. Ask you, what's the name of your company? Go on their state website and look up, right? Like, what's the name of the LLC? Look it up and make sure that the company actually exists. That's the first thing, all right? Then you want to look at testimonials, okay? And see, where are the success stories? And not no paid looking ones either. You know what I mean? So like me, for example, I sell courses on how to start a cleaning company, right? You go to Clean Biz Network if you're interested in that. But I sell courses on how to start a cleaning company, right? And I have testimonial after testimonial after testimonial. But the way I do it is I don't just do testimonials, because I know me personally, I don't like being sold to, right? Just give me what I need, right? So I try to do it in a way where I'm not really selling to you. What I do is I interview the people that I've helped start cleaning companies and who've done it successfully. And then I ask them to come on and talk about, why have you been successful? What has helped you be successful? What's some struggles that you've been through? And these are real people that you can inbox. And that's why I always ask them at the end of the interview, if people want to follow you and follow your journey, how can they reach you? Because I want you to understand as the viewer that these are real people. I'm not paying anybody. We're not in cahoots trying to sell you on a course. None of that. Right? These are real people that I've helped. And I've got hundreds of these people. Hundreds of them. You go look it up, right? Hundreds of them, right? And I also got hundreds of videos on giving out free information too. So that's why I'm comfortable selling a course. And that's why I think that if you vet me with my course, then you'll be fine, right? So here's what I'm telling you to do when you're thinking about buying this course for somebody else. Vet them. Where are the testimonials? Where are the interviews? How can I touch these people? If I see somebody on your interview or giving you a testimonial, can I go on these websites that don't you know it's people on Fiverr and other websites that will sell the service of creating fake testimonials for you? That actually exists. I don't know if y'all know that, but that exists. So make sure that you research the people who are actually giving these testimonies, right? Is this person doing testimonials for a bunch of different people, right? But reach out to them, see if you can reach these people. Then also, like I said, research and make sure that the person that's selling this course has actually either A, they're doing the business right now and they're doing it successfully, or B, has done it in the past and they're doing it successfully. Again, with me, I told you what I said, how to start a cleaning business course, right? But then also, I don't have my company anymore. I sold it, and I'll tell you why in a second. But I sold my commercial cleaning company because I was with a commercial cleaning franchise. And in order for me to do what I do today, which is help people start independent cleaning companies and own all the rights to their contracts, I could not be with a cleaning franchise and do that. Why? Because it's a conflict of interest, right? And they probably would have sued the pants off me, right? So, and I probably would have lost that case because I would have been wrong. I'm supposed to be affiliated with them, but meanwhile, I'm teaching people how to go independent and avoid franchises. That wouldn't work, right? So that's why I sold my cleaning company. Then I dedicated myself to Clean Biz Network, where we help you go independent and say, okay, bam, you're going to own all the rights to your independent contracts and everything. I don't want no royalties or anything. Just go ahead and buy this course from me up front and you good, right? And our courses also come with equipment, okay? So we will ship all of our equipment straight to you. You know what I mean? So in addition to the information I'm giving you, but I'm also giving you the equipment, everything you need, so that way you got all that you need. And the reason why I do that too is because from the beginning, I wanted to make sure that it's understood. I'm not here just trying to get rich off of courses and get rich off of you and taking your money. Then you get out here, looking at the course, you lost, and you don't even know where to start, and you feel like you're alone. No, we're going to make sure that you got every single thing that you need, all right? So if you can't find a person that's like that when they sell their courses, or where they feel like, oh, they're just going to sell in this group, I'm never going to hear from them again, and that's going to be the end of it, then don't buy from them. If they don't have the testimonials, don't buy from them. Look and see if they're doing what they're telling you to buy a course on. If they're not doing it, or if they haven't done it successfully already, that's a red flag. If they don't have multiple testimonials, I mean multiple of them, I got testimonials all over the internet, okay? If they don't have that, red flag. I ain't saying you can't buy from these people if they don't have those things, but it's a huge red flag. Be careful, all right? So that's what you want to look for before you buy anybody's courses or program or any of that, all right? And then also too, if they're a little too flashy, like something up with that too. Real business people typically ain't that intrigued with 1,000 damn Lamborghinis and 50 different women either, okay? We just don't have the time to, man. We too busy building a business, right? So that's what I got for y'all, man. If you still thinking about buying somebody courses, and after this video, that means that person earned your business. Respect to them, salute to them. But that's all I got for y'all. I'm AJ Simmons. And if you heard what I said about starting a cleaning company, you thinking about it, go to cleanbiznetwork.com. I'm going to help you out with that. If you ain't thinking about starting a cleaning company, that's cool too. Still hit that subscribe button, because guess what? I talk business over here, and I'm sure that my advice can still help you nonetheless. Thank y'all. Talk to y'all later.